So today we have this multi-electric air pump. It has these on and off buttons here that if you want to keep the air overflowing, you can, instead of just pushing it down with the balloon. So I'll show you here. That's for this side here. This is for this side here. This is a little slower just because this one can be used. If you're doing any sports balls, it comes with an attachment as well as the needle for you to put it here. So once you turn that on, the air comes out through here. So there's this extension here which you screw on by spinning it. It comes with an extra needle here, but it also has these cool attachments here. So like if you're doing these smaller balloons, you would use this one here to make sure all the air goes in correctly. If you're using the bigger balloons, this side would work best. It also has this attachment here, so when you're tying balloons and you have the string and don't have scissors to let go of the string and the balloon, you simply attach it here. It's on there and it has a little blade for you to just cut the balloon string. Here are extra attachments, and you have an extra set of them which are a little bit taller than these. But let's go ahead and blow up a balloon so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to use this attachment here. Forgot to mention, this one here also has an attachment where you clip and spin to secure it. It has these little attachments here. Go ahead and clip it there. And you can blow air this way as well. It also has these attachments which you also clip and spin to secure them in place. And these would be good to, like, if you have an air mattress or something, another multi-use to use it. Different attachments here that helps you tie the balloons, making it easier for you to tie them instead of using your fingers and getting sore from these sides. This is a balloon attachment to help you tie your balloons. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate a small balloon and a bigger balloon. So this is a big one. Easy. This next one might be a little bit harder on this side since it is a smaller one, but let me show you on the other side, which is pretty cool. You can put it all the way in and it is doing it slower, but it's also inflating the balloon for you, making it easier for you to blow the smaller ones up. So I myself like making the balloon garlands for get-togethers, birthday parties. So this machine here makes it so much easier to get this done.